about the simple present tense, okay? Technically, simple present tense is the verb tense, okay? And the verb tense will tell us the time that one action takes place, okay? For example, this is the present, okay? This is the past, and this is the future. Okay, so the verb tense will show us the time that an action takes place, okay? So the simple present is a verb tense. Is a verb tense. And this verb tense and the verb will show the repeated action. The action happened all over again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All right, it happened Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, all over again. For example, I read book. Every night. Okay, I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast every morning. So that is the repeated action. Okay. I write journal every evening. Okay. Eat, read, write a journal. Okay, so the simple present form. So the verb form, the simple present form will have two types. Okay, the verb form in the simple present form, that is the base verb, and the verb with s. Okay, so when will we use the base verb? We use the base verb or we use the verb with s with a different subject. Do you remember the subject in the verb in the sentence? Okay, the subject can be a pronoun, right? Pronoun is I, you, we, she, they, he, and it, right? And the subject can be a noun too. People, places, or things. All right. So now let's go to the pronouns. Number one, the pronoun. We would use the base verb. Drink, eat, study, watch with I, you, we, and they with the verb. All right. For example, For example, I go to school by bus. All right, I go to school by bus. So the verb we have here, the base verb we have here is go. Okay, we walk to school every morning. So the verb we have here is, yes, that's right. That is walk. All right. They study every night. The base verb we have here is study. Okay, with go, with walk, and with study, we will change the pronouns to he, she, and it. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at the example. He, she, it. The rest of the pronouns we will use the verb with s. That's fine. Okay, remember, this is the structure. He, she, it will go with the verb with s. And then the pronoun I, you, we, they go with verb. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the example. He studies. Okay. Okay, so now let me change. I will use the simple example for you. He reads. Okay. He reads newspaper on the weekend. Okay, next. She takes bus to work in the morning. She takes, right? We will change it to she takes bus to work in the morning. And with it's, with pronoun it's sleep on the couch every night. Okay, so now we have to deal with the pronouns. We go with verb, and then let's move on to the base verb. We go with the plural now. Okay, that is another situation. That is another case of the pronoun. So let's do some practice. Okay, so now let's do some practice with me. Okay, before we practice, we will need to repeat again the structure, right? The pronoun we have here, I, you, we, they, go with the base verb, right? The verb no s. And he, she, it, go with, yes, the verb with s. Okay, so now let's do some practice. She, give me the correct form of the verb. Your answer is she drinks. Yes, she plus verb as very easy, right?